Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to keep your Pinterest account private. Now, there are two different ways you can do this. First of all, I just gotta say that you cannot make your whole entire Pinterest account private, but you can make a couple of the things private so that other people cannot search for you. So as you can see, we have two different things. We have turning on and off your search privacy, right? So here you can see you can log in into your Pinterest account. You can click this icon in the top right hand corner to open your menu. You can click settings, go to privacy and data. Then under search privacy, you can tick the box next to hide your profile from search engines. This will hide your profile from search engines and making it private. You can click I understand and then save. So that's the first thing you can do. The second thing you can do is you can make an existing board secret, right? You can make your board secret. If you go here to web, you can log into your Pinterest account, then click on your profile picture, right? And you will see this right here icon in the bottom right corner of the board you want to make secret. You can scroll down and toggle keep this board secret and then click done. Now this will basically privatize your account the best way possible because on Pinterest you cannot actually make your whole entire account private. So make sure to know that, especially if you're a business account, right? And yeah, I hope this video helps you out. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.